How to delete Remitly history. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete Remitly history, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to delete your history on Remitly, it's actually quite simple. Let's just say that whenever you open the Remitly application, there are some types of histories that are available, such as your transfer history or maybe also your transaction history, and then now you want to get rid of those histories and those activities. Can you do that? Well, unfortunately the short answer is no. Aside from Remitly, any other payment application such as Venmo, Cash App, or even your mobile banking application will never let you delete your transaction or your transfer history, because transaction is something that you have made, and later on if there are any legal cases, they can always showcase, or you can always use it for your security reasons and prevent fraudulent transactions, that this is the transaction that you made. So it is always there and always has to be there for security reasons. Otherwise, you gave money to someone, you delete the transaction, it's just like they didn't give the money to you or you didn't give the money to them. So that's just how it works. So hope this video helped you understand your question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.